In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Web without a phone. First, it's important to know that you cannot set up WhatsApp Web from scratch without a phone. You'll need a phone one time to link your WhatsApp account to your computer. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone and tap the menu icon or settings. Then select Link Devices and tap Link a Device. After that, open web.whatsapp.com on your computer. A QR code will appear on the screen. Now, use your phone to scan the QR code. Once the code is scanned, your WhatsApp account will be connected to WhatsApp Web. Next, wait for your chats to load. After the initial setup is complete, you can continue using WhatsApp Web even when your phone is not nearby, as long as your linked device remains connected to your account. Now, send and receive messages directly from your computer. You can also view chats, share files, and manage conversations just like you would in the mobile app. Finally, if you ever get signed out, you may need to use your phone again to relink the device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use WhatsApp Web without a phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.